Keren parang unong hikai van ukna school. Tada pio jeng mentoy na kene ko video wan nam klet ban share lem chaki perlok lane ying hasam jongpi. Wan nam klet ru ban page step by step kenang ba pin yo jeng mentoy na kene ko video. Wan nam klet ru ban subscribe ya kene ke channel. Till where we stopped yesterday. Till where we stopped yesterday. Hado hamno ni sange menin. Till the page 22. Till the page 22. Hado ka page ka baal tawar. Do you understand the previous chapter? Do you understand the previous chapter? Pila snoto ya kilanang kiba shedin. Yes, sir. How old, sir? Okay, today we will move the next chapter. Okay, today we will move the next chapter. To menta kasni ngin yai sa kawai pat kalena. Before I proceed ahead, I want to tell you something. Before I proceed ahead, I want to tell you something. Chua bangun oi shakamat ngakwa on AA yapi. Our duty is to teach you, the rest is yours. Our duty is to teach you, the rest is yours. Kakam ram jongi kalang ban ikai yapi kapasa kate kachongpi. How much you give time to yourself? How much you give time to yourself? Kat no pi por yalade. Kat no pi por yalade. To read, practice and hard work. To read, practice and hard work. Ban pule ban pikshang bat reshita. As a student, you must concentrate on your studies. As a student, you must concentrate on your studies. Cũng kikna school phi day ban pen lay chimut haki chim pule. No one will do it for you. No one will do it for you. Amdan mano uban le yapi. You have to do it by yourself. You have to do it by yourself. He have and let he validate. With the help of the teacher. With the help of the teacher. Da kaching yarap trong kinang hikai. If you have any doubt, problem brings it tomorrow. If you have any doubt, problems brings it tomorrow. Lada pidon kano kaching artatin kaching sawan ra lashai. So for today I will stop here. So for today I will stop here. Te menta kasngi ngan sangne no hang ne. And one more things tomorrow I'm not coming. And one more things tomorrow I'm not coming. But sakaway la shay ngan one. Sir, why did not come? Sir, why did not come? Sir, balay pim one. Because I have some personal problem. Because I have some personal problems. Namar nadon kidau kichimet. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Okay, we will meet in the next class. To kata ngin sa kendo haku waipat ke kelas. In exam, don't expect anything from me. In exam, don't expect anything from me. Haka exam what kami linti ay nanga. Study now so that it will easy for you on exam. Study now so that it will easy for you on exam. Ule menta kanang makan pusuk pi haka exam. Time does not wait for anyone. Time does not wait for anyone. Kapor come up yeno ro. You have your own responsibility. You have your own responsibility. We have done a holiday.